Here is a summary of Chapter 1's content, which provided you with an introduction to supervision and the supervisor. The supervisor is the first-level manager responsible for coordinating the work of non-management employees or employees who provide the products and services for the customers of the organization. A historical perspective of the supervisor's role looks into the theories and principles that have led to the development of current views on supervision. In this chapter, we read three important views that discuss the relationship of the supervisory role in an organization. They were Frederick Taylor's scientific management principles, which focus on efficiency, Henry Fayol's administrative principles that focus on functions, and Maslow's hierarchy of needs, a focus on people, organization. The skills required of the supervisor are similar to the skills required of both employees and managers. Supervisors need technical skills common to their employees, but they also need human relations, conceptual, and decision-making skills. The human relations skills allow the supervisor to work effectively with other people. Conceptual skills enable the supervisor to see the relation of the parts to the whole and to one another. When the supervisor uses decision-making skills, they can analyze information and reach good decisions. Usually they already have ample technical skills, which may have to be held in check, but on the other hand, they may need to develop better human relations, conceptual, and decision-making skills. One of the challenges in a supervisor's role is the workforce's growing diversity resulting from increasing proportions of women, ethnic, and racial minorities. Differing perspectives on situations faced by the organization are an advantage when competitive forces increasingly require flexibility and innovation. However, most individuals, including supervisors, usually feel more comfortable with those who are most like themselves. Supervisors must learn to value diversity for their own success and for the success of the organization. General functions of the supervisor include planning, organizing, staffing, leading, and controlling. Planning involves setting goals and determining how to meet them. Organizing includes setting up the groups, allocating resources, and assigning work to achieve goals. Staffing consists of identifying, hiring, and developing the necessary number and quality of employees. By leading, the supervisor gets employees to do what is expected of them. Controlling is overseeing and monitoring performance and making needed corrections. Supervisors are responsible for getting the work assigned by their boss accomplished through the use of the employees who work for them. They are also responsible for communicating instructions, requirements, and expectations of the organization to their employees and dealing with them fairly. Supervisors are responsible for informing their managers of concerns of employees. They are also responsible for cooperating with co-workers in other departments to assure the effective and efficient operation of the organization. Most supervisors start out as employees within the department. Their promotion is based on performance and skill levels. To be successful, supervisors must leave the role of employee and develop the required skills of the supervisor. A successful supervisor is usually someone who has a positive attitude, is loyal and fair, communicates well, can delegate, and wants the job.